So hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Jam software for making website. And Jam is a local host server. If you wanna make a website, so you can use two methods on its a local host and a live host. So if you want to use the live host, you have to spend some money, and if you want to just make a free website and don't use the live server, don't want to spend your money, so you can use the xampp. It's a local server. And if you want to make a WordPress website, you have to install xampp or any local host and xampp. There are two software and etc. wamp, xampp. So always the people use the xampp. So at first you have to download the xampp software. Already I have open the xampp software. So how you will you can download, just click the search box, yeah, written search box, and download, just write xampp. Already the come xampp free download and enter, and xampp download software. And always try to which software do you want to download. And that software companies you have to enter that. Don't use the another third party any website, and it's will be actually problem. So I'll just click on it, and there are three methods of the Windows, Linux, and Apple user. So if you use Windows, so already I am Windows user, so that's why I have clicked. I will click here. Already I have downloaded this, and simply you will, if you click, and it will be downloaded. And after downloading, you will just install, and install it very easy. Just click on the software. You will click on the software, and it will be automatically download. So already I have downloaded, and already you are seeing my stacks bar. So just I will click on the software and already the dialog box showing in front of me. So just click Apache server or MySQL server. Just I will start, and MySQL will start. That's it, and it will don't close it, just minimize. So already my local server has started. So now I'll go to the database, which uh, database I will keep my wall information or install WordPress. This database I will create. Just I will write here localhost loca local aost localhost slash php myadmin php. Already the full keyword has come, php myadmin. Just enter, and you can see database, and there are my past is database. And just you will click here new and just you will give a name, who is will be your database name. I will just create a portfolio website whose name is Mastia. That's why I am giving to Mastia name, Mastia, Mastia. And actually UTF-8 MV4 General C, it's internationally, it's depend on your language. So always you try to select uh, UTF-8 General C. It's a good. So just simply click on the create button, and the database has created. So the database created is finished. It's very simple. So just I will uh, close this tab. Already it also close, so I don't need it. So now I'm gonna uh, so where do you want to install your WordPress? You have to go there, and always if you okay, yeah, install the jam software, you have to enter C drive and jam and htdocs, and always you have to keep your all the file in this folder htdocs. So don't use the another folder, and if you use another folder don't work it. So already you are watching my others website, already I have installed e-commerce, Russell P1. My name is Russell Sheikh, that's why I have Russell P1 mean portfolio, Russell P3 portfolio 3, shopkeeper, it's a e-commerce site, and weblazer, it's a business. Yeah, who just I have given short name WooCommerce. So already you are watching their shopkeeper etc already I have kept here, so I don't need it, just I will delete it, and WooCommerce also I delete it. And just you need WordPress install, and you can download WordPress from WordPress uh, WordPress website wordpress.org. Just you will go there and just mm, uh, click here get WordPress, automatically it will be downloaded. So after downloading, just you will bring here, and I will unzip it. Just click, already I am using the 7 zip, that's why I have, if you can use the window or etc. So just unzip it, and you are watching guys the WordPress already unzipped. So just I will change the name. Always you try to give your site name, which name you have given on your database. So I will give it database. So I have given the Mastia database name Mastia, so it's okay. Now I'm going to install it. Just I have to keep here, but I have not installed. And now I will install. Just you will write the localhost, local host localhost slash, and which name you have given in your WordPress name. I have given a Mastia. Okay, I'm a STI Mastia. Just enter, and you have to install it, and automatically it's very simple. Just you will my my net is sometimes it's a problem, so doesn't matter. So already it's come, you are watching. So now just click on the continue button, and uh, if you click on if you do all the step, so just it will install. So now I am clicking on the continue button. Okay, and there are some requirement what you need. Just if you wanna install WordPress, just you need to first database name, database username, database password, and database host, and table prefix if you wanna run more than etc. And you can also study on it if you click. We got it. So already database name we have created Mastia, and I'm gonna show you live. Okay, just I will click on the let's go button. So let's go button. You have to given the database name Mastia I have given. And if you use their very important topic, just listen carefully. If you use if you use localhost, just you will click on the, just you will click root, and it's a default. If you use the localhost, you have to give the root password username. And if you use the live server, there you can give anything which suitable for you user as a username. So it's depend on you, but if you want to use localhost, you have to give the root username, and the localhost password will be blank. You don't need to give any password. And local yeah, database host, it is simple localhost. And table prefix, you can use table prefix, which prefix you will give and in your database, MySQL database, every file before this prefix will situated and you will get, and you can use any short key, but it will not use any longer word, just 2 or 3 word later. So I'm using this default. So just submit here and can't select database must, oh sorry, I have a mistake name, and there I have used the I Mastia. So now again I will write here Mastia. So now okay, password will be blank, and okay, submit here, and already Sparky, the I have complete the first step is completely done, and now run the installation, and it's very simple. And just site name, what the site name, when you will visit your site, the site title, site title will the what's your slogan, that's it. uh, uh, so you can give or not, it's wish to you, and I'm not giving here because I will not and after working I don't also I don't know still now that who is master, who is title, so that I will give after installation, so it doesn't matter. So username, which username you have given your past step, sorry, no, it's a, you have use the username database for installation, and this username you for enter your WordPress when you will work, you wanna work in your database dashboard. So you have to give this username, which username you will give here, and also password. So I will give the just admin the admin admin, also I will give same password admin. Okay, so they inform me that it's a very weak, but I don't care, very weak is good, because if I use any critical password I will not remember, I can remember, that's why I have used here, and no problem. Or if you use the very valuable any website, so you have to use the very critical password, because your password, if very easy, any hackers can be enter your database and collect all the information, and it will be very dangerous for you. So just you will I will click here for software, that yeah, I will use this uh, password. Now just you have to select the uh, email address, so any email address you can do, you can give here. So I have is here, and just if you search engine visibility, just if you click here it's mean when you will work in your dashboard or WordPress, if you click here, all the people not mm, seen your all the people not get in the search engine your website. Or if you mm, not click here, all the people get in the search engine, just it. So now I will click here, the I don't use the uh, mark button ratio. So now click install WordPress. So already done, and now just I am entering here click the login button, and there just who is username or password you have given the first is step, database site title, username, password, already you have watched the very weak password, that's password just you need here. So just I will just write admin, and also password will be admin. So just click the login button, it's very simple. So already I am mm, uh, in the dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and all the installation is completed. And if you visit your site, the worst condition your site, and just you can you will watch this, because it's there is no any premium theme. Just it's you are using free theme of WordPress, uh, 29 maybe. So the default theme, default three themes is in your WordPress, so one theme is using. So it's done. And if you wanna log out here, you can log out very easily from click here. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video. And now I'm ending this video. So again I will come with another video or another tutorial. So guys, if you wanna see the new any topic, so just subscribe my channel and stay with me. So thank you so much. Goodbye.